Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetStube.com, and today we are going to do a detailed comparison of the HTC One with the Samsung Galaxy S4. And if we actually talk about these two devices are the latest flagship phone from the respective brands. HTC One is the flagship phone from HTC, which has been launched recently, and it is available for a price of around 40 to 42,000 Indian rupees, whereas the Samsung Galaxy S4 is also available for a price of around near to 40,000 Indian rupees. And again, both of these phones are the high-end phones in terms of the overall specifications. If we talk about in terms of the overall processor, in terms of the display size, there is a minor difference. You have 4.7-inch display on the HTC One, whereas you have 5-inch display on Samsung Galaxy S4. Now to start the comparison, let's first of all compare these two devices on the basis of build quality and the form factor. So if we talk about these two devices on the basis of the build quality, I do see a major difference in terms of the build quality of these two phones. HTC One does look very good in terms of the overall build quality. It is made up of aluminum, and again it has a very nice back cover. The battery is non-removable on HTC One, whereas it is removable on the Samsung Galaxy S4. The Samsung Galaxy S4 on the other hand, on the build quality department, has a lower build quality. It has the kind of polycarbonate plastic back cover on the back, which is again quite thin and looks kind of cheap whenever you actually hold this device. So as you can see, the plastic back cover does not look very good on this device. Again, it helps the Samsung to decrease the weight of the device, the overall weight. But in terms of the overall weight as well, if you actually compare these two devices, the HTC One weigh around 143 gram with a full metal phone, whereas the Samsung Galaxy S4, which is a kind of a plastic plus glass phone, has a weight of around 130 gram. So there is not much difference in terms of the weight if you compare these two devices. So in terms of the overall build quality, HTC One definitely has a better build quality. If you actually take a look over these devices from the side profile, you have thinner edges on the HTC One, whereas the edge on the edge, if we take a look, the width of the phone of the Samsung Galaxy S4 is actually more than the HTC One. Whereas if we take a look over the design of the back side, we have a curvy design on the HTC One, whereas we have a kind of a flat design with curved edges on the back, as you can see over here on the Samsung Galaxy S4. And again, if we take a look over these two devices from the top side, we have metal over here, whereas we have some kind of good quality of plastic on the Samsung Galaxy S4. And again, this part is metal, whereas the back side is plastic. But HTC One on the other hand has most of the parts in the form of metal. So you have metal at the back side, you have glass at the front. Again, over here you have metal, which is pretty good, whereas on Samsung Galaxy S4 you have glass over here on the front. This is again glass, and when we take a look over this side, you have some kind of metal alloy over here. The back side is again plastic. So as far as the thickness of the device is concerned, the Samsung Galaxy S4 thickness is around 7.9 millimeter in terms of the overall thickness. If we take a look on the edge, when it comes to the HTC One, the thickness of this device is around 9.3 millimeter in terms of the overall thickness, whereas it gets decreased over here on the edge, whereas it remains the same on the Samsung Galaxy S4. On the front side, if we take a look, we have glass over here, we have metal above and below, whereas we have complete glass on the Samsung Galaxy S4, and we have some kind of plastic behind the glass over here on the top and the bottom. We have the proximity sensors over here on this device. We have some extra sensors as well, whereas the proximity and ambient light sensor are over here. Again, if we take a look over the design is quite better on the HTC One, which is kind of a different kind of a design which we have seen till now from HTC, whereas we have the same kind of design which we have seen on Samsung Galaxy phones on the Samsung Galaxy S4 as well. If we talk about the loudspeaker, this device has dual loudspeaker, as you can see over here, which will give you better quality of sound and the loudness as well, whereas on the Samsung Galaxy S4 you have the same conventional loudspeaker placed at the back, which might get covered whenever you hold the device wrongly, and if you accidentally cover the loudspeaker at the back with your hand. As far as the front display is concerned, the type of resolution which you have, or the type of display which you have, the Samsung Galaxy S4 is Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, and the display resolution is 1080 into 1920 full high definition display which we have on Samsung Galaxy S4, and it gives you a pixel density of 441 pixels per inch on the 5-inch display. If we talk about the HTC One, we have the pixel density of around 469 pixels per inch, which is slightly higher than the Samsung Galaxy S4. And if we take a look over the display resolution, we have the same high definition display resolution on this device as well, 1080 into 1920 pixels spread over 4.7 inch of display. And if we actually compare these displays together, there is a little difference in the display size if we compare the display size of these two devices. As you can easily notice over here, Samsung Galaxy S4 slightly has a bigger display as compared to the HTC One over. As far as the display screen protection is concerned, you have Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection on this device, whereas you have Corning Gorilla Glass 2 protection on the HTC One. Talking about the UI which is running on top of Android on these two devices, we have TouchWiz UI running on Samsung Galaxy S4, whereas we have the HTC Sense UI version 5 running on HTC One on the top of Android. Talking about the storage version which we have for both of these two devices, we have the 16GB 32GB variant available for the HTC One, whereas we have the 16GB 32GB and 64GB variant of Samsung Galaxy S4 available. If we talk about the RAM, both of these two devices have 2GB of RAM. When it comes to the free storage which you get on these two devices, on the 32GB variant of the HTC One, we get the available storage of around 23.18GB, as you can see over here. For the user, whereas we get around 8.90 GB available to the user when it comes to installing applications and storing picture, videos and other data on the 16GB variant of the Samsung Galaxy S4. If we talk about the 32GB variant, we get around 13 to 14 GB available to the user on the. Now if we compare these two devices on the basis of ports and connectivity, we have 3.5mm audio jack on the top on the Samsung Galaxy S4. We have it over here on the HTC One. We have the IR blaster of the Samsung Galaxy S4, and again the HTC One is also capable of controlling the TV remote, acting as a TV remote and other consumer electronics with the help of the IR blaster over here, which is pretty big. And if we take a look over this side on these two devices, we have the volume rocker on the HTC One, which is almost at the same level of the edge. It does not come out, and it does give you good amount of feedback as well. You can easily press it. When it comes to this side, we have the power and sleep key on the right hand side of the Samsung Galaxy S4. Again, the back cover is removable on the Samsung Galaxy S4, but it is non-removable on the HTC One, so you cannot remove the battery on HTC One. If we talk about the camera, we have a 13 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S4, and it is an autofocus camera with LED flash, as you can see over here, and it is capable of taking photos at 4128 into 3096 pixels maximum. Whereas if we talk about the camera which we have on the HTC One, we have a 4 megapixel ultra pixel camera on the HTC One, and it is capable of taking photos at highest resolution of 2688 into 1520 pixels. It is also an autofocus camera. It does have LED flash as well, and the sensor size of this camera is 1/3. When it comes to the high definition video recording capabilities concerned, you can record high definition video from the back camera on both of these two devices at 1080p at 30 frames per second. Taking a look over these devices from the back side, you have the Samsung branding over here, the HTC branding over here. You have this device available in two colors, the silver version and the black version. We have the black version as of now, and again the black version does look kind of classy as compared to the silver version. If we talk about the Samsung Galaxy S4, this device is available in the white color and the black color, and we have the black color of this device available with us as of now. And again, the black color does have a texture over here, but this texture actually decreases the overall glossiness of the back cover which we have on this device. If we take a look over these devices from the back side, we have the loudspeaker mesh over here, whereas the loudspeaker meshes are actually on the top, on the front, on the top and the bottom on the front display on the HTC One. Whereas if we take a look over these two devices on the bottom side, we have the micro USB port for data syncing and charging. We have a primary mic over here for voice calling, whereas the primary mic is over here on this device on the HTC One. If we take a look over these devices from this side, we have the volume rocker over here, and again we have the SIM card tray slot over here on the HTC One, because the SIM card can be inserted in this tray only. The back cover is non-removable, so you have a SIM ejection tool which comes within the package, whereas you can remove the back cover on the Samsung Galaxy S4 and insert a micro SIM over here, and the micro SD memory card slot is over here on this device. Another major difference in between these two devices is that you have a micro SD memory card slot over here on the Samsung Galaxy S4, whereas you do not have a micro SD memory card slot on the HTC One. But when it comes to the default inbuilt storage which you get for free on this device, which is fairly high on HTC One as compared to the Samsung Galaxy S4, as we have observed. Now talking about the front camera on these two devices is a 2 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S4 over here, as you can see, and it is capable of doing a high definition video chat, as well as you can record a high definition video at 1080p from the video camera, from the front camera on this device, whereas you have a 2.1 megapixel camera on the HTC One, and it is also capable of recording high definition video from the front camera at 1080p. HDR mode is supported on both of these two devices. As far as the version of Android is concerned, you have Android 4.2.2 running on this device, which we get out of the box as far as the version of Android is concerned. As you can see, you have Android 4.2.2 on Samsung Galaxy S4, whereas if we take a look over the HTC One, the version of Android which comes on this device is 4.1.2, but if you update the device to the exact version number, you will be able to get the 4.2.2 update which is available for this device. Let me just show you the version number. So as you can see, it comes preloaded with 4.1.2, but you have 4.2.2 version of Android already pushed out for this device. And now talking about the processing power which we have on these two devices, you have Exynos 5 octa-core processor on the Samsung Galaxy S4, whereas you have a quad-core 1.7 GHz Carrier 300 processor on the HTC One. The GPU which we have on Samsung Galaxy S4 is PowerVR SGX 544MP, whereas you have Adreno 320 GPU on this device. You have both of these devices have the accelerometer, gyro sensor, proximity sensor, whereas the barometer sensor and the temperature sensor, the humidity sensors are over here on the Samsung Galaxy S4, but they are not on the HTC One. One more thing which is related to India is that you have FM radio on the Indian version of Samsung Galaxy S4, whereas you do not have FM radio on HTC One. As far as battery is concerned, you have 2600 mAh battery on the Samsung Galaxy S4, which is removable, whereas you have 2300 mAh battery on HTC One, which is non-removable. So that's all from us as far as the quick hands-on comparison of the Samsung Galaxy S4 with the HTC One. Both of these two devices are the flagship devices. Both have very good features. As far as the features are concerned, you have HTC Zoe mode, you have boom sound on this device, which will enhance the overall quality of sound, as well as the loudness sound is much better on the HTC One, whereas if we talk about is much better on the HTC One, whereas if we talk about the Samsung Galaxy S4, you get some extra features on the HTC One from Samsung, like the Smart Stay, the Smart Scroll, the Smart Pause feature, which will pause the video whenever you look away from the device. And again, you can install this feature on any other Android phone as well, but there are some features which are very specific for this device. For example, the Air View feature, the Air Gesture feature, and some of the features like multi-window, which are Samsung specific, which you cannot have on any other phone out there as of now. So both of these phones are good value for money in case you want to buy them. Have a different kind of experience, user experience, which you will get on these two phones. When it comes to the build quality is definitely much better on the HTC One. If we talk about the software features are actually better on the Samsung Galaxy S4 if you are happy with the Samsung features which they provide, especially the Air View feature, the Smart Stay feature, the Smart Scroll feature, and other features. So both of these devices are equally good. Again, it is your dice to play which device you would like to buy in between these two. Do let us know if you have any specific questions for any of these two devices. We would love to help you. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.